Jimmy, can you look at my art first? Yeah, Tompy, I got you, bro. Let's check this out. Tompy, listen, Tompy. You got some good innate skills, but ah! What is that noise? That sounds like Duck Game. Hang on. That's so loud. Ah! Jesus Christ. All right. Okay, so Mr. Tompy. Tompy. Listen up, Tompy. You got some skills, okay? But you made me look like Jigsaw from Saw. Hang on. Let me show this to the stream. Oh, Tompy. Tompy. That Tompy. 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 Yo, Smog, thanks for the follow. Tompy. Look at, okay, guys, I can appreciate that, Tompy. I can really appreciate what you did with right here with the hand. The hand looks good. The hand, that's a good hand. But when we get more into like right here, I look like a chick, dude. Why you give me eyeliner? Tompy, I don't wear eyeliner, Tompy. I like that sparkle in my teeth though. I look good. I got that good sparkle going on. Yo, Tompy. I appreciate it, man. I know the hat says kawaii.
Why you got roast Tom Pyatt like that?
Why do I gotta roast Tompy? No, listen. This ain't no roast, my dude. Tompy has got some good drawing skills, but some of the things just ain't me. You should use eyeliner to get more subs. I should not.